Welcome back again in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipe ideas and tips and healthy recipe, healthy drink, and how you can look after yourself and take care of your body and be happy at home, work, or anyway on your occasion, because you know you're looking after yourself. First thing I want to simply say to you guys that, as I said in a couple of my videos before, I did really concern about myself and my body. I didn't sick for such a long time, no cold, no flu, but today I can stand up and share some of my ideas, recipe and tips and things where you can do at home in your kitchen and share with your friends, your neighbor, your co-worker, even your manager or some of your friends, to tell them that you see something like this and it do works. Anyway, we want to do a overnight like cucumber, ginger, lemon, and also mint. I did quite a few videos all about it. I've been preaching it all along, talking about you can detox in your body and lose weight. And I'm telling you, it's one of the biggest things ever right now in the world. People just want to be healthy and, you know what I mean, live an healthy lifestyle and be happy with their family and at home. But we want to show you something where you can do, and it's a, you know what I mean, I did it for myself and it works for myself. If it doesn't work for you, you can try something else and see if it works for you guys. But today I'm going to show you an idea and what you can do, and it will work for you, because at the moment, I know this is the weekend and at my workplace at the moment, I can tell you that I have 2 bottles of water with mint, ginger and lemon inside of it. But I'll tell you something guys, it's just work amazing. So Monday morning, the first thing when I go to work, I'm gonna be drinking a bottle of water for detoxing my body. I don't want to lose weight, but you know, I just look after myself and take care of my body, because without I take care of my body, I can't able to work. So you have to look after yourself. Today I'm gonna show you what you can do at home when you have work and on the weekend, and this is a overnight detoxing water for your body and lose weight. Also, enjoy the recipe and stay tuned. Remember to share my video on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Follow me there. We are there for you guys. I want to simply explain back over, as I said before, I was talking earlier about the lemon, the mint and the cucumber. These ingredients, I never ever run out of these ingredients in my fridge at home. Alright, basically I have cucumber and fresh mint and some fresh lemon. These 3 ingredients is one of the most powerfulest thing ever. And also with the ginger, but I'm not gonna put in the ginger in this one this time. I'm just gonna be using the mint, the cucumber and also the lemon. First thing what you need to do is to get a few slices of cucumber, roughly 2, 4, 6, 8, about 10 slices. Put it straight inside of the water, and also let's get the leaf of the mint. This is some fresh mint. Put it straight inside of the water. Then the lemon, very important. The lemon which do the job. And we're gonna just put this inside of the water like this. Alright guys, a lot of people might say, oh Chef Ricardo, that is so simple and easy to make, but we have to share these ingredients and this recipe for us. I'll tell you something guys, you might doesn't know, this is one of the biggest thing in the world today. A lot of people talking about chicken, this beef, lamb, pork. This one is one of the biggest thing ever in this world. What you want to do with this one, after you do all of these ingredients, what you need to do is simple. Get a piece of a cling film and do this one. Seal it very tightly. Alright. Do not put this in your fridge. Please do not put it in your fridge. Leave it right here, sir. until the next day. So this one is the overnight water with lemon, mint and cucumber. When you wake up in the morning, the first thing what you need to do is to drink this water, and then what you can do is to do another one and leave it for the next day. Alright, so that's what Chef Ricardo been preaching. Overnight water detoxing your body. You can lose weight and be healthy and detox your body, guys. It's just amazing. This water is one of the amazing water. If you put it in the fridge, you're not gonna get the taste, the flavor what you're looking for. The best thing is to leave it outside in a temperature, room temperature. That means when you wake up in the morning, the first thing what you're going to do is drink this water. And if you want to be healthy and losing weight, as I said, this is a proper way for you guys. So guys, hopefully this will be a benefit to you, and this will help you for you to lose some weight and also help you to detox your body. We did quite a few videos similar like this one, guys, but it's different ways or you can do different things with the same ingredients. So today, this one is the overnight. So you're gonna leave this outside right at your work surface. Don't put it in the fridge, and you will get a different effect from this one. So every day you learn something about cucumber, mint, lemon and water. That's how I do a lot of research on it, and this is one of the main thing. Another way or you can do it and get a nice lovely benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in with Chef Ricardo show, guys. It's just brilliant and amazing to know that so many people have been requesting a lot of stuff from me, and we are getting right out there to them with these ingredients. Look forward, we got next recipe coming up soon, and it's gonna be a really wonderful recipe. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. See you next time. Bye bye.